All right, it's Monday, April 17th, just following up on the SPY. You can see here after making that push down on bar number 5, we had a bit of a pause and now we're continuing lower. The options are moving up nicely. Bought those 415 puts at 395. They're at kind of in the 440 area right now. So you can scale up, set up a no-risk trade. What you don't want to see at this point, here's the white line, here's the open of the day and the week. If this is just going to be a failure move, then you don't want to really see it come strongly above that line again and turn the week back to green. As long as we're kind of heading below there, you can kind of stick with the downside, but it's tough to say. We're still just inside of yesterday. What we're looking for here is to see if this could maybe unfold into a 2-down day, which can take you to the bottom of this range. And now you have kind of a reference point where the open of the week is here. And as long as we kind of structurally stay lower below this white line, then, we could see if some of the downside might unfold here. But it's tricky given that the fact the weekly chart is just green from last week. We've had a bunch of 2-up weeks, 2-up, 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 2-up. So maybe there is a chance you can get a 2-down week. This week is just a kind of a pause, but you're looking at this green week, and until we really get below the midpoint of that bar, you're kind of expecting it at some point maybe to test higher. So it's just very tricky to know exactly what's unfolding, but structure on the day kind of pointed to a downside move of some sort. Now you just kind of monitor here, what needs to happen in order for the chart to really get negative without it really being negative thus far, but kind of heading that way until proven otherwise. So it's kind of a no-risk opportunity here to see if we can get followed through to the downside. But at any moment, given the continuity that's still a little bit up in the bigger picture, this could fail and head higher. But now at least at no risk, you can see if the downside unfolds. And again, we're just kind of monitoring more this big daily trading range here and seeing if we get a 2-down day, then, we probably can get to the low end of that range before possibly heading up. Maybe we break through to the downside, who knows, and turn this whole weekly chart negative for a while. That's what we're waiting for really any downside sustainability to take place. So we'll see if this is the beginning of it. You never know. But at this point, it's just a little tricky, but at least it's following through to the downside. And now we just got to monitor it. Are we going to get a 2-down day or not? Or is just going to be kind of a reversal happening in here and get back above the open, which can set things up to the green, upside again in the bigger picture.